Hi, good morning to all. Today we discuss about antenna arrays. In a long distance communication, we need an antenna with high directivity. We know that we can improve the directivity by increasing the physical dimension of the antenna, but that result in the appearance of multiple side lobes. What is the drawback due to these multiple side lobes? The drawback is that we have power wastage due to this multiple side lobe. So we want to alter the radiation pattern that can be achieved by controlling the current distribution. So we use a number of identical antennas, then we control the spatial distribution of the current. So we can alter the radiation pattern and we can achieve the given directivity. So we can say that an antenna array means it is the arrangement of multiple antennas. They are excited with currents having definite phase and amplitude relationship to achieve a given radiation pattern. That means we want to achieve the given directivity. Consider here we use n antenna elements and the currents are given by I1, I2, I3 and In respectively, and the distance to a particular point P, it is given by R1, R2, R3 up to Rn respectively. So we can say that the resultant field strength at the point P is the superposition of field due to all the antenna elements. Then we can control the directivity by controlling the antenna pattern. This antenna pattern can be controlled by 5 parameters. That 5 parameters are: first one, we can control the geometrical configuration of arrays. That means we can arrange antennas in a linear fashion, whereas in a circular fashion in other ways. Okay, by controlling the geometrical configuration, we can control the antenna pattern. And the second parameter is relative displacement between antenna elements. Okay, and third one is relative amplitude of antenna element current. We apply the current to each antenna element by controlling its amplitude. We can control the radiation pattern. And fourth one is relative phase of the antenna element current. Okay, that is the phase of each antenna element current can be varied. We can control the overall antenna pattern. And the fifth one is relative pattern of each antenna element. For example, if we consider n element array, we have n minus 1 relative amplitudes and relative phase and the relative position. Okay, we discussed about these 3 parameters further. That is relative amplitude, that is current amplitude, and relative phases and relative position. That means we have 3 into n minus 1 control parameter. By controlling this parameter, we can control the radiation pattern. That's why we can control the directivity of the antenna. And some example of antenna arrays are linear arrays, circular arrays, planar and non-planar arrays. That's all. Thank you.